Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best keyboard stand that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rock Gem Xfinity Heavy Duty Keyboard Stand. Every now and then, we throw in a little bias, and, in this instance, we're going to start our list off with our personal favorite, the Xfinity by Rock Gem. We've made this model our best choice because we feel it's a quality and reliable product marked at a price that most can afford. It also comes with plenty of online rave reviews. This X-frame stand allows you to fine-tune the height of your keyboard, and you can set the adjustment to anywhere from 4 to 38 inches. It also features straps and rubber end caps which help to prevent slippage. Overall, this is a great option for live stage performances where you need a lot of stability to keep a heavy keyboard in place. Moving on at number 4, we have the Alesis Melody 61 MKII Portable Keyboard Stand. If you're looking for a keyboard, a stand, and a bench in one package, and then some, then the Alesis Melody 61 may be the investment you're looking for. Keep in mind though, this model is intended for children. It will, however, still work for adults, although you may battle with finding comfortable leg space. Adaptability is a significant characteristic of this model. You'll be able to move the console around and set it up with no issue. The set also folds to a compact size and can easily be moved from point A to B as a bonus. It includes 3 flexible height adjustment settings, which makes it ideal for growing youngsters. At number 3, we have the Casio ARST Single X Adjustable Keyboard Stand. If you're on a budget and looking for a basic keyboard stand solution, then the Casio ARST Single X is a viable option. Despite its basic X-frame construction, it's still quite a sturdy device that will hold a small to the medium-sized keyboard without toppling over. Which is all you need, really. Easily adjustable to 6 different heights to achieve maximum playing comfort, this design can accommodate both seated and standing players. What most purchasers like about this keyboard stand, in particular, is that it's probably one of the most lightweight portable stands on the market. At number 2, we have the ChromaCast CC-KSTAND Double-Braced X-Style Keyboard Stand. Perfect for home use or organized gigs, the ChromaCast K-Stand Pro Series provides a good balance between quality and affordability. It's perfect for keyboards and mixers up to 150 pounds and comes with locking straps that fit most keyboard sizes. This model is also most suitable for beginners, since the disc clutch and pull knob mechanism make it easy to set up. The double bar strength and support ensure that the CC-KSTAND has been built to last and perhaps outperform musicians themselves. This means that even if you do purchase this model as a beginner pianist, it can still be used and relied on as you enter a more professional musical career. And finally at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics Heavy Duty Adjustable Keyboard and Piano Stand. Amazon Basics Heavy Duty Adjustable Keyboard and Piano Stand, a sturdy model that's suitable for home use, church performances, and even larger gigs. The double X-frame design also makes it a unit that ensures stability and balance, so that you can let those fingers fly. What we also like about this Amazon product is that it gets straight to the point. There are no added frills, instead, support, stability, and comfortable playing experience are the features that have been focused on and perfected. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.